Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can send money from Payoneer to PayPal. So for that there are two options for you. The first one is that you go to the Payoneer account and click on this option of Payoneer customer help and find the customer help for you to connect you with your PayPal account. But the better way is that you go to PayPal instead, and when you click on this option of link a card or bank account, you will be able to find this option of link a US bank account. In case if you are not able to see it, then you should go for help over here on PayPal. They would be able to help you better. After that, click on this option of message center, then it will redirect you to a different page. Now ask the PayPal assistant over here and tell them that you want to send money or receive money from Payoneer, and they will be able to provide you with the solution, will be able to help you with getting the US bank account linking on your PayPal account. This way you will be able to use Payoneer and go to the USD section over here and click on receiving accounts. After that, when you click on this option, you will be able to see all the details of your US bank account, and then you can receive money from your PayPal or vice versa. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.